My name's Sean, super excited.
These are our two contestants. Now they've got a mystery recipe that they're gonna have to cook.
Today, you will be cooking a spaghetti bolognese. And this is how you make a pasty. You gotta get the flour and you roll.
I don't know how to make pasta, but I think I'm running out of time.
Uh-oh, you hear that? What's that sound, Vitaly?
It's a meat time.
That's right, the meat alarm. It's time for the contestants to get their meat.
Hey, you. You wanted a pork or you wanted a beef?
Yeah, I'll take the beef. It's actually good timing
What
because
a
I'm
fool.
just about to put the pasta.
It says a for a bolognese.
Les rêves des amoureux sont comme le bon vin. Ils donnent de la joie ou bien du chagrin. Affaibli par la faim, je suis malheureux. Pas longtemps chemin, tout ce que je peux, car rien n'est gratuit dans la vie. L'espoir est un plat bien trop vite consommé. À sauter les repas, je suis à...
Alright guys, we got 10 seconds left on the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tools down, everybody! We're not done yet. Alright, Matthew. So what dish have you made for us?
Spaghetti.
It's a trick question.
Bolognese.
Spaghetti bolognese.
I put a little natural twist on it.
Now first off, Vitaly, I think plating-wise, it's beautiful, of course.
Well, you can see you got a little bit of live. You're gonna be gappy and you will put it there. Oh, I can't wait. I cannot wait. Alright, you can leave now.
Thank you.
You know, yeah, take it.
You're right. Let's dig in. Now for the flavor profile, I think it was outstanding. The capsicum really brought out the squid pasta and combined together with the leaves. I will be honest, it wasn't bad. There's a lot of chili in there.
It's really fucking spicy. I'm surprised about how much flavor he packed into the meat.
That's exactly what I was thinking. A lot of flavor in such a little pan.
The meat was really strong.
Well, really.
But unfortunately, pasta are too rich. It's too thick and hard to chew.
See, Vitaly, I disagree with you there. I think the thick pasta is a bit of it transcends what we're used to in spaghetti bolognese and has really brought it through for me.
My mama slap you for words like that.
But look, we're just gonna have to see what the contestant from the green table is gonna bring over for us.
Alright, Capitan, what are you cooking for today?
Well, today we've got a traditional style spaghetti, so real nice thin attempt, and the meat is a combination of onions, garlic, basil, and tomato, and with a bit of pork, with also a mixture of veal for that extra something in there.
Now, as far as I'm concerned, this dish, it means a lot to you. Why it means so much to you?
Well, as you know, I've talked about my mother a lot, but I haven't mentioned my father. He did work in a bolognese factory, and unfortunately he was ground up into bolognese when I was a child.
Well, look, I can see your heart and soul's in this dish, Sean. It does look beautiful, and I believe your father is in this dish as well.
Let's see if your father does shit.
Vitaly, what do you think of the dish?
I tell you, the sauce, not as big as the
Not as big, no.
but Pasta? Pasta were a lot better. So much so.
I'm tasting a lot more herbs, kind of intricate flavors.
And you know what else? Chili flake? Evenly bad. Not too many chili flakes. I was not overwhelmed. It's really fucking spicy. It was nicely balanced.
I'll
My
say,
face not so red.
I preferred the chili proportion in the red team's dish.
Really?
You are spot on about the pasta. The pasta is definitely better in this dish, but the meat and the sauce could go either way.
I noticed you bit some of the pasta. And then you left it on the table. Alright, I think we've come to a decision.
Sean, Matt, together as judges, Battalion and I have come to a decision. What did you think, Battalion?
I like a Sean!
See, I was partial to Matt.
But there can only be one
There can
winner.
only be one winner. We do have to have something happen. And that something is a tie.
Yeah. A tie.
Yeah, we don't have the money for a
Yeah.
prize. So I thought we were just like pretending it's a tie because we can't pay it.
So, we don't pay you prize money, but the real reward is the friend we met along the way.
Fuck this.
Yeah?